Guys, I am giving Robux to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video today to show you how to get secrets in Still a Brainrot. I'm going to show you how to get every single secret for completely free, and this does just use a working Still a Brainrot code that you can redeem in-game right now, and it's going to unlock all secret Brainrots for completely free. This is by far the easiest method, and it's going to prevent you having to try and steal the Brainrots. This is going to basically supply your base with all of the secrets. You can even get a second and third floor as well if you don't have one already. So these are the best Still a Brainrot codes, especially if you want to unlock all secrets. So let's get into the tutorial. So as you can see, you need to use your mobile phone and just open up the internet browser. It doesn't matter which phone you have. As you can see, I'm using an iPhone and I've opened up Safari, but you can do this on Android as well. And you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, just got to type this website exactly like this into your internet browser, and it's going to take you to this homepage here. This is an awesome website. I've used them for other games, but I did notice they had a page for Still a Brainrot codes. So what you're going to want to do is just type that in there, guys. Still a Brainrot. There are currently 3 verified working codes, and as you can see, these are really popular. There's over 100 uses today. I actually found these codes on YouTube, but the video tutorial didn't have many views, so I thought I'd recreate it. So if you scroll down, you can get a code for second and third floor on your base. You can get infinite luck. This is going to give you max or infinite luck in Still a Brainrot. And this is a cool one, guys. This is unlock all secrets. So this is going to unlock every single secret in game, and it takes just a few minutes. You just got to follow through these steps that I'm showing you. And this is a simple code that you can redeem in game, and it's going to unlock all secrets. So you can see your code is ready, and it will be revealed in the box below after verification. So because these are pretty desirable and they are limited codes, as you can see, there's 155 coupons at the time of recording this video. You do need to unlock your personal code, guys. So click on that button and follow the instructions. Basically, guys, just got to complete a couple of these free tasks and follow the instructions, basically. They're really easy. These can be things like mobile applications, mobile games, and free surveys. Just got to make sure you read the description that tells you what to do. So once you fully complete 2 of them, it will redirect you back to this page on Cold Coupons, and your Still a Brainrot code will now be fully revealed. Obviously, I've skipped forward, but if you do everything correctly, your code will be unlocked and you can redeem it in-game. And that is how to get every secret Brainrot in Still a Brainrot. Really easy. Just got to go to Cold Coupons and find this codes page and select this code here that's going to unlock all secrets. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in my next video.